guys, we are back to another new video series related to our ATL Space Challenge. Now, I am Shubham,
This is Shahnawaz,
and we are from D.A.V Public School, Hazaribag, and we had made this model Advanced Space Drone in our ATL lab.
The main aim of this model to determine that life exists or not in other planets.
Now, I am explain this how it works. Basically, this works on a principle of lift force and the thrust force, and there are 4 propellers connected to each rotator, and the front propellers are AB and back propellers are AB, and if you want to move forward, then back AB propellers are move faster than forward AB propellers, and if you move backward, then front AB propellers move faster than backward AB propellers, and if you want to rotate anti-clockwise direction, then B propellers are move faster than diagonal A propeller, and if you want to move clockwise direction, then diagonal A propellers are move faster than diagonal B propellers. And we also use Arduino Nano, which are connected to the gas sensor, and basically gas sensor help us to detect various types of gases present in atmosphere.
It gives us the information through the satellite. Basically, it works on the 2 modes. First one, place where atmosphere is present. Then these propellers are used, which guides the drone to move very easily. When it enters into the space, then these propellers will get automatically converted into the turbo boosters. If we want to send it on any other planet, then this turbo booster will get automatically converted into propellers. It does not require much fuel. It works on the solar energy. Here is the camera which gives the live footage to us through the satellite.
Now I am explain my model practically how it works.